تراه لذاك يحب.
حديث ذهب أهل الدثور بالأجور. The poor companions came to the Prophet ﷺ complaining. He said, what is wrong? They said, Ya Rasulullah, ذهب أهل الدثور بالأجور. What أهل الدثور?
The wealthy people.
The wealthy companions. They have harvested all their work and lagging behind. He said, and how is that? They said, Ya Rasulullah, they pray as we pray. They fast as we fast. And they do hajj as we do. And they have some sadaqahs they give in sadaqah and we don't. We receive them. So the Prophet ﷺ said, let me guide you to something. If you do, no one can beat you in this regard. What is it? After every prayer, just say Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar 33 times. This is better than all what they give in sadaqah. So when the rich companions learned about it, tell us what happened.
Obviously, they would do it as well to say, okay, now we're above you.
Yeah.
Because now we're also doing this. Subhanallah.
They came back protesting. They said, Ya Rasul. He said, what now? They said, now our rich companions also started doing the same. What did he say? ذَلِكَ فَضْلُ اللَّهِ يُؤْتِيهِ مَنْ يَشَاءُ. A man who can combine all of that is excellent.
So that's why to use whatever Allah has made easy for you to get Jannah is up to you. You must make sure everyone is gifted differently. The basics and the farad that we cannot compromise. But besides that, whatever you can do in terms of your capacity, your qualification, your ability, your mawhiba, your gift that you have, use it to get to closer and closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
The hadith of the Prophet ﷺ about the sunnah of Salat al-Fajr, the 2 rak'ah performed before the obligatory act, rak'ata al-Fajr, khayrun min ad-dunya wa ma fiha. So the 2 rak'ah that's performed before the obligatory Fajr prayer is better than the whole world and what's in it. So how much more the reward of Fajr itself will be,
Imagine this
mashallah.
beautiful island.
MashaAllah.
This is just an island. So have you prayed Fajr, alhamdulillah, on time before sunrise? And have you prayed the Sunnah? The 2 units before Fajr, better than not this island, better than
The whole world.
Hollywood, Orange County.
Whatever anyone considers, wow, it's better than all of it. May Allah bless you wherever you are. The greatness of Allah is such that we have no option but to surrender to Him completely, to worship Him alone. And inshallah, we will meet with Him in the hereafter, Jannat al-Firdaus. Barakallahu fi. Wa sallallahu wa sallama wa baraka ala nabina Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.